Hi guys, I'm back. It's Tuesday afternoon, and first I'm going to the gym later, and then after that I'm gonna pack on the outfit that I'm going to use for tomorrow, because we are going to leave around 5 a.m. tomorrow, so it's going to be early. So I'm going to get ready later after the gym, or like after working out. And then yeah, I'm just downloading some songs from Spotify, and yeah, I'm gonna update you guys later. And also I went to the ordination of our priest, or like our neighbor priest. It's the new bishop of Mati, so his name is Bishop Abel Apigo. So they tomorrow is his installation in Mati, so we're going tomorrow. That's why I'm going around very early, because also we're going to have sightseeing also in Mati. So yeah, I'm going to bring this camera, of course, to vlog, and I hope I could like have a video clip of the installation or something like that. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys later. Hey guys, so I'm back. I just packed my clothes for tomorrow. I'm going to like change after my like quote-unquote photo shoot. I'm gonna change into pants and some blouse, but tomorrow I'm going to bring my backpack, because I have my skirt in here, so that if I don't want like in the picture to have shorts, I can like just wear the skirt over the shorts. So that's that. And I did not have a shower tonight, because I'm going to have a shower tomorrow morning around 4, because I have to wake up around 4 a.m. Oh my gosh. And usually I sleep around 11:30, so I think I have to sleep early tonight, because we have, I think, I don't know if it's 3 hours drive to Mati. So yeah, I'm going to finish packing, and then I'm going to see you guys tomorrow morning. I'm gonna update you guys about that, or like something like that. So yeah, I'm watching, wait, the Royals. Yes, the Royals. It's the season 4 episode 8, I think. So yes, I think so. I'm very excited for the season, I mean episode 9. I'm still not finished with the episode 8 yet, but I'm very excited for the Royals. As like generally I am a fan of the Royals. I'm going to finish watching it, and then I think I'm gonna go to bed around 9:30, so that I have a few hours of sleep. So yeah, I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good morning guys. It's already 4:30, and we have to leave around in 30 minutes, and I still have to repack my things, because in my small backpack it won't fit a lot of things. So that's why I'm using this Vera Bradley backpack that I got from the States. And then I think I'm going to bring this bag, so that I just want to carry some purse and the phone and stuff like that. And yeah, so I'm going to see you guys later. I'm gonna dress up, and I'm gonna update you guys later. We just arrived at Davao Oriental, the famous sign. Wait, I'm just take a picture first. So, we're over the church.
After 5 years,
changed
namunga na. Pero nagsabot naman siya sa kuan, iyahang father-in-law nga. Dahil siya ka ng black and white, di man mo kuan kay wapal siya na unsa na daghan sila mga igsuod. Ipatanong lang siya kung unsa imong abot mo na imuha na. Kasi namunga na katong lang na magulangan sa ngayang bayaw kay
we need to have a seat.
Kuan. Oh, kanang
see you guys later.
Mo kuan na kanang.
Hi guys, so we're here at the Baywalk, and there's like a I Heart Mati over there, so we have to take a picture over there. And then, yeah, this is the Baywalk. It's kind of big. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys later. I'm gonna take a picture with them as well. There's a group practicing over there, and the teacher is so mad. They're like so what do you call this? Yeah, I think mad or angry or something like that, or pissed. So yeah. Hey guys, good morning. It's already the next day. I did not had a outro last night because I was so tired. We arrived here at home around already 10 past 10 p.m. So tired. I was so sleepy. I was like just knocked out. So yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog today. I just had a little vlog in Mati, and yeah, so I'm going to see you guys in my next vlog.